The Juice Man is coming to Halloween Horror Nights. Tastes like victory. Show us the clip that they showed us on Twitter.
In the history of Halloween Horror Nights, there has never been a creature more terrifying, more horrifying. From the darkest depths beyond the grave.
It's showtime!
It's a ghoulish haunted house featuring the ghosts with the most. Beetlejuice. Only at Universal's Halloween Horror Nights.
About time you losers gave me my own house.
Now, in this we found out a few things. One, it's still called HHN 30, Halloween Horror Nights 30. 2, Beetlejuice is coming to the event. And 3, we have dates. So let's get into every single thing here. First, we will start with HHN 30. We have a logo here that says Halloween Horror Nights, Never Go Alone 30. Or Halloween Horror Nights 30, Never Go Alone. So, you know, now I'm not going to go alone because I got my Boo Bros. And if you guys don't know the Boo Bros, go check them out. Have a channel right here. We've been putting up a bunch of content. Anyways, aside from that point, we have the confirmation of a house coming. We have a confirmation of the event happening. Let's talk a little bit about Beetlejuice. I'm going to be reading off my phone to give you guys the description. I'll also put it right here so you guys can see it. Say it once, say it twice, say it 3 times. It's time to churn up the juice and see what shakes loose as the original film comes to life, more twisted and terrifying than ever. Beetlejuice will haunt, taunt, and send you screaming out of the haunted house. Now, if this is similar to the house we had for HHN Light, that house to me felt a little restricted for the fact that it had plexiglass, but that's how I felt about all the houses. So if they do this to its full extent, I feel like this can be a banger, and it can be an amazing house. Let me continue with what they have written down here. He will torment you as you wander the checkerboard hallways, abandon you to your fate in the Lost Souls room. To me, in the house that we went through, the Lost Souls room was honestly the best part of the house. I'm just being honest. Next, he'll menace you through the model graveyard and join in the fun of Dante's Inferno. And finally, be part of the infamous dinner party scene and witness Beetlejuice's chaotic wedding. It's showtime. Now, this is big for the fact that we finally have a Horror Nights announcement after a year that we had no Horror Nights at all. I get it, HHN Light, and that wasn't Horror Nights. This is the real deal. We have our dates. Those dates are September 3rd through October 31st. This is a long event compared to normal. Normally our events would start on the 15th, 17th, like that weekend, so it would have started on the 10th, per se. And we're getting almost every single day except for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the 6th, 7th, and 8th. We're getting, beyond that, every Monday and Tuesday we have no event. Except for Halloween week, which is every single day of the event, every single day of the week, except for the 25th, which is Monday. So, needless to say, this is pretty awesome, and I'm excited to see this. Because it's Horror Nights, it's back! This is what we've wanted, this is what we've been waiting for. And I feel like every other Horror Nights fan right now is going crazy, probably everyone running to get their camera, running to record. Me, I sat down for a bit and I was like, wow, I can't even make words right now. I can barely speak right now and we're right in front of the camera with each other. I'm just excited. I hope you guys are too. With all that being said, guys, do me a favor, subscribe to Boo Bros, subscribe to Losh TV, comment down below how excited you are that Horror Nights is back. When do you plan on going? Please let me know. Maybe we can all do something together. Stay excellent, my dudes. It's showtime.